speed.
Mm-hmm. That's sick.
Brake. Oh, brake. Brake. Low, all the way to the bottom.
What the?
You guys got to remember, this is just a car, and you got to remember that some people and some things you do that seem somewhat irrational, like letting someone who has a beginner's license and never driven a car drive your sports car with over 400 horsepower. It sounds ridiculous, but to be honest, this is one of the easiest cars to drive. Heads-up display, super responsive, everything. Brakes, throttle, steering, everything is so acute and so on point that it is actually easier to position the car. You're not dealing with all the zigzag and the wibble wobbles and doing this all the time. Like, you can point it straight and she drives anywhere and everywhere you hope she would. So I did it. Why not? A Camaro fan. I want to show them that the Camaro community is pretty awesome, because it is, and I think we might have a future Camaro owner. Why not? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and everybody drive safe, take care, and behave, as always.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone.